In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and understand keyboard shortcuts on TradingView, and we'll also discuss how you can customize them for more advanced functionality. TradingView is a powerful tool for traders and enthusiasts alike, and knowing how to navigate through it efficiently with keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's start by diving into the basic steps of finding these shortcuts on the platform. First things first, you'll need to log into your TradingView account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and give that a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Keyboard Shortcuts. This action will prompt a panel to open up, filled with an organized list of all available keyboard shortcuts you can use within TradingView. Now, once you're in the Keyboard Shortcuts panel, you'll find these shortcuts neatly organized by category. They'll be divided into sections like Chart, Indicators, and Drawings, making it easier for you to quickly locate the shortcuts you need, depending on the specific tools or actions you're planning to use at the moment. This organized display is incredibly helpful, as it allows you to explore each category at your own pace and see the commands available to you. However, if you're looking to take your customization a bit further, this is where things start to get creative. Unfortunately, TradingView's web platform doesn't allow you to directly customize keyboard shortcuts. But don't worry, there's still a way to achieve that through more advanced methods. You'll need to refer to the TradingView Library's documentation, which is available on their official website at www.tradingview.com. Here you'll find guidance on how to override or specify custom shortcuts using JavaScript. For those of you who are comfortable working with JavaScript, this means you have the flexibility to tailor your TradingView experience further by setting up shortcuts that fit your workflow perfectly. Just a quick note, when you're working in the TradingView library and adapting JavaScript, always make sure that you're following the guidelines carefully to avoid any unintended functionality issues. To wrap things up, whether you're just starting with knowing the default shortcuts or you're ready to take the plunge into customizing them through coding, understanding and effectively using keyboard shortcuts can significantly enhance your TradingView experience. This approach saves time and lets you focus more on analyzing and making informed decisions, helping to sharpen your trading skills with efficiency and precision. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and happy trading.